In terms of speed, Kenpachi cannot use Flash Trap, and as we know, Flash Trap is a common technique to move quickly in Bleach universe. Kenpachi is a squad captain, so it is kind of disappointing to see that he cannot use Flash Trap. And on the other side, Raikage uses lightning chakra to move, which is slightly less than or equal to speed of lightning. As we have seen in the anime, Sasuke with a Mangekyo Sharingan was not able to keep up with Raikage's movement. So it is an obvious win for the Raikage, as Kenpachi is no match for his speed. Now let's talk about the monstrous strength of Kenpachi and Raikage. So as we know, Kenpachi has a strong bloodlust and a fighting maniac. He has fought powerful enemies like Yami and Nentora. As shown in the Thousand Year Blood War arc, Kenpachi blasts away a country-sized meteor into pieces with only one swing of his Shikai.
動きを止める雷剣雷光柱サスケ
To talk about the fourth Raikage, A is an extremely powerful shinobi who was chosen as a supreme leader of allied shinobi forces. Even after losing his dominant arm, A's fighting style combines the elements of ninjutsu and taijutsu to form a nin taijutsu.
それがサスケの忍道だ
Kenpachi is seen as the winner in strength because his raw strength and brutality is much greater than Raikage's.
雷影の忍び体術か 何遍言わせりゃ気が済むんだ切れねえんだよ
It is obvious that Kenpachi's durability in battle is way more than Raikage's. For instance, let's take the fight. Between Kenpachi and Unohana, he got beat up several times by her and still keep getting up and came back strong, and also pushed her to use her Bankai. Another example can be taken from the fight with Nyantora and also with Ichigo, wherein both he got slashed by swords many times. To talk about Raikage's durability feats in Naruto, we haven't seen much, which includes withstanding Jugo's blast, survived being transported at light speed, had zero to little effect of Sasuke's Chidori, and cut off his hand without any hesitation, which was covered in Amaterasu flames. Kenpachi is clear winner in terms of durability, as we haven't seen much of Raikage's durability in manga and anime.
あいにくそんな面倒なもんは花から持ってた覚えはねえななるほどやはりお前は魔物
As we all know, Kenpachi excels in raw strength and durability compared to Raikage's. But when it comes to having multiple techniques up your sleeve, he loses to Raikage as Kenpachi cannot use flash straps, Kido and Bakudo, which are commonly used by captains in Bleach universe. Raikage is lightning fast that is quite reliable to intercept an opponent before they even notice. He throws extremely fast punches and uses combination of ninjutsu and taijutsu, that is nin taijutsu. His chakra nature is lightning, earth, and water release. He uses powerful taijutsu moves like Liger Bomb, Lariat, Double Lariat, Gullet, and Drop. Since Kenpachi cannot use many techniques, whereas Raikage uses many jutsus and techniques, so this one goes to Raikage. Now let's decide who is our overall winner. If we take it as a real battle, the things that matter more are strength and durability, in which Kenpachi overpowers Raikage. So our overall winner is Kenpachi.
花から持ってた覚えはねえな。